All right, time now for better food. Kevin Clewes from Bartaco is here with a mouthwatering dish that you're going to want to make tonight. Tailgating, Kara. We're talking about hamburgers and hot dogs and
Oh!
Foul!
Personal foul.
Personal foul.
Number one, Scott Haney.
Whoa!
It's tailgate season, but we're going to do it a little differently.
All right.
We've got some really, really cool tacos to bring to your tailgate.
Oh, Kara, all of this food in front of us.
Whether you're going to a tailgate or you just want your own little party at your house, I didn't know. I love Bartaco. I love going there, and even sometimes you got to wait in a little bit on the line, but it's worth it. You sit outside, you have all this great stuff. I didn't know you have this big to-go package. You can just say, I want to have a 10-person tailgate or bigger, and you'll get to pick like whatever tacos you want.
Exactly. So we can do like parties of 10 up to hundreds if you want to do it. Just give us a little bit of a notice on that. You can go to bartaco.com/party to kind of set the whole thing up. But basically all you do is you pick 3 different kinds of tacos you like. We'll provide this. Easy setup, easy breakdown, whether you're going to the game and doing it outside, whether you're doing it at home. The kids love to make it, so if you're at home, it'd be a great thing to have for the kids.
How many tacos can you make at Bartaco? I mean, you can...
Hundreds. Hundreds, yeah.
And you fill out the piece of paper with the pencil?
Yeah, exactly.
How does that work? Help me out with that.
I will help you when you come in there, Scott.
Okay, good.
It's good because you can write, like they have, let's say you're gluten-free or something, or you're just watching your carbs. Every single taco you can decide, put an L next to it, and you can wrap it in lettuce.
Right, absolutely.
Or you can have like something really indulgent like this. That's your famous beef taco?
That's a carne asada taco right there. So again, it's our filet mignon that's roasted. Everything is made from scratch there. So the pork belly, it is braised and then it's
got a little kick
seared.
to it.
It's got a little kick to it. The roasted cauliflower is a great, like you said, healthy alternative out there as well. But yeah, so you'll get everything like this included. And you can come pick it up. Give us a call. We actually can take it right out the back door. You don't have to find a parking space. You know how sometimes that can be tough in West Hartford. Bring it to your car, set it up there. If you want to have it delivered, we can give us a call. We can help make sure that happens for you too.
Okay.
So yeah,
so could you do that? You can do takeout even if you're not having a party, like make it a little bit smaller for the family and just still bring it home. Like Friday night, no one wants to go have to cook and stuff. You can just bring this home, set it out like this, and everyone can make tacos.
Exactly. And if you want to do smaller ones at home, you can do it like on your app. So if you take our Bartaco app, just to place the order right there, pop it up, come in, pick it up, take it home. Again, kids love this stuff. So you guys, this is for you if you want to make some tacos here. There's like
vegetarians.
Yep.
There are options for vegetarians.
These
there
are
as well.
cauliflower tacos right here, which sounds like, oh, why would I want to call it? It's so good.
Yeah,
I don't know what you guys do to your cauliflower,
really
but
good.
it's so good.
Really?
Yeah.
And we've got some new ones coming out too. We've got a nice roasted Brussels sprouts taco coming out. So that's
yum.
really, really good.
Yeah. So you just do that, and then, it's
Can
very.
I have the lettuce?
Yeah.
I got some right there for you.
I got my own
right there.
But you know what I like is if you have a kids menu there too, and if I take my kids, let's say Dennis and I want to get something a little bit more spicy, gourmet. For the kids, everyone gets to order their own thing and their own way. So you're like, all right, you get it the way you like it, I get it the way I like it.
Exactly.
And everyone can have what they want.
Chef Efren does a great job in the kitchen. We'll take care of you. He'll take great care of you.
Come on in here. Get in front of the camera, would you?
This is the guy that makes all the magic happen in the kitchen right here.
Hey!
This is Chef Efren. Hang on, I see you.
And what's your name?
Efrain Martinez.
That's what I thought it was.
Yeah.
Exactly.
This is so good. It's got a little kick to it, right, Scott? Did you try it? And you got to try the guacamole too.
So what about the romesco? Tell them a little bit about the romesco.
Romesco sauce is made with the almonds. We toast the almonds and then we put some piquillo peppers, roasted as well, and olive oil. A little bit of kick to it, cayenne
This has
pepper.
a kick to it.
Yeah. That's that red sauce right there.
Exactly.
And then you have such good salsas, and then the fresh made guacamole. So sometimes I like the plantains too. That's my favorite thing to
The
order.
gordita sauce. Put that on everything. The dipping sauce is amazing.
I didn't know that. I just meant like the yummy.
And everything's made
plantains.
from scratch. So like they're making everything in the kitchen, every single thing. The salsas, all roasted, the veggies, they're blending them. Our street corn.
What is it called? Mystery? Is it street corn? What is
That's
it
a street corn.
Street corn.
Yeah.
Why is it street corn?
It's a tip. Go ahead.
Back in my country, in Mexico, the ladies and little comal sell corn and a little stick.
They sell it on the street?
In the street. And then that's how you name it the
How's the look on my face?
corn of the street.
That's when we know you're having a good time,
look
is when you
beautiful.
got that corn. So imagine that at a tailgate. You're in Yukon parking lot or Patriots, the Jets, the Giants, or at home in your backyard. This is the way to go.
Yeah, you pick
this
it
is
up.
a
I'm
great way
totally
to go.
loving the lettuce wrap, though.
Isn't that awesome?
Right, and you just, on that little piece of paper that I know you're afraid of, you just
afraid of
write
the
L
paper.
next to it, and then they'll put anything in lettuce that you want.
Seriously.
But you also have different, these are the real corn tortillas. These
Exactly.
aren't like everything is really high quality.
It is very high quality. We're cooking that on a plancha all day long. The marinated steak, like I said, filet mignon, and the sauce. Tell them about that sauce that's on top there.
The avocado and we kind of mixed the avocado and the tomatillo salsa mixed together, and it went very well, and it really does blend in with the
Oh my God, that
salad.
is-
Yeah.
So good.
Isn't that great?
And what about, you guys have some awesome drink specials that people go to. I guess people love your tequila.
It is, but we actually have Libalula tequila. Is our own blend of tequila. So yeah, our beverage director went down to Mexico, and they've come up with our brand of tequila, and we serve that in the restaurant. It's a delicious tequila. Our margaritas all handcrafted. Every single thing in the restaurant. That's why you see those juicers on the bar. The bartenders are working hard. They're squeezing juices for orange juice, grapefruit juice, lemon juice, lime juice. Everything's squeezed. We're not opening a can of anything back there.
Oh my gosh, wonderful.
And
Well,
I love the outdoor seating, which is great when we're having weather like this. But
Exactly.
you don't have to. You can have it. Just take out. Bring it to your own backyard.
And the guac.
Thank you guys. So
don't forget
good.
the guac, Kara. The guac.
The
Don't
guac
forget
is
the guac.
my favorite.
That is our most popular.
All right, to check out a menu and to see a list of locations, visit bartaco.com.
Yeah, there are locations in West Hartford, as we talked about, but also in Westport and in Stamford.